Shout out PBK Customs, man. Customers just dropped off this Bayou 220. I figure out, he said it's sparking, got compression, uh, won't fire. I think he said he sprayed some starter fluid or carburetor cleaner into it. It still won't bust. So what we're gonna be doing is adjusting the valves, the top dead center, adjusting the valves, checking the spark, all the little small little stuff. Usually it's just a valve issue. Valves need to be adjusted. They too tight or they too loose to where air and fuel don't mix like it's supposed to. So hopefully we go ahead and get them in, get them out. Other than that, y'all stay tuned, man.